Hey guys! I get so many requests to do a wave tutorial, so I thought I would share my signature waves. I found to get the perfect waves, a 1¼ inch barrel works best. I prefer to use the Babyliss brand usually, but any 1¼ iron is fine. I like to alternate the direction of the curl, so the first one I direct away from the face and the second one toward the face. I just keep alternating back and forth. I start the curl from the top of the section and work my way down. I don't start at the bottom only because I don't want the ends to be curled. As you can see here, I actually leave about 1 inch of the hair out of the iron. I find this technique keeps more length. When I start at the top, I twist as I go, so the clip doesn't leave any creases. And then twist again as I release the hair, smoothing out that bottom inch to give a polished look. I don't do any type of sectioning, I just grab random sections as I go. I feel this gives more of an organic flow, as I don't like anything to look too uniform. Just remember to keep alternating back and forth. So you see this section here, I'm going to match the other side and direct it towards the face. And this front section away from the face. After I'm done with my iron, I like to grab either a serum or a texture cream in my hand and run through the curl to give more of a wave. If my client has thick or coarse hair, I will use my favorite Reed David Orchid Oil to give it shine. Or if my client has thin or fine hair, I will use a texture cream to hold the curl better and give a fuller look. This is how I do my signature waves. Hope everyone enjoyed!